press the Send function. In the basic screen for sending, select Address Book. Select a destination from the list of address to check the checkbox, and press OK. Select the functions. Press the Start key. Color selection. Here is the 5 options to be chosen. The copier will be default full color. Resolution. Select fineness of scanning resolution. Better resolution also means larger file size and longer send times. Density. Make the image darker or lighter. Press more the density level between -4 to +4. Two-side book original. We could scan two-side document or book by using this function. Continue scan. Scan a larger number of original in separate batches and then produce as one job. File format. To specify the image file format for transmission. File separation. We could use file separation function to create several files by dividing scanned original data page by page and send the files. Add a new address and one touch key. In the basic screen for sending, select the email address entry. Enter your email address. Press Add to Address Book. Select Add and press Next. Now you can see your email address. Enter your name and press OK. Press Save. If you want to add a new address to the one-touch key, press Yes. Select the key and press Next. Confirm your email address and then press Next. Finally, press the Save. The email address will be saved to the address book and one-touch key.